Jackson Demonstration State Forest Casper 500 Timber Harvest Plan: the past, the present, and the future. Being in a forest allows one to be a time traveler. The forests are ever-changing. What is seen today grew from past management and natural processes over the last 120 plus years. This is a stand of second-growth coast redwood and Douglas fir mixed forest that was previously clear-cut before JDSF in the late 1800s, then selectively harvested in the 1960s, and portions had group selection in 1995. Notice the clumps of smaller trees. Those trees were the result of the 1995 small group selection harvest, which removed all the trees from the group. What is done today will shape the forests of the future. Sustainable management considers all the forest goals and objectives such as wildlife habitat, invasive species, recreation, timber production, carbon sequestration, research, and demonstration to create timber harvest plans. For this plan, there will be 300 acres of single tree selection, 100 acres in a group selection, 25 acres of shaded fuel breaks, and 75 acres set aside for tribal co-management. Now we'll take a closer look. This area outside the plan boundaries was identified as habitat for the endangered northern spotted owls and was therefore not considered for harvesting. The first harvest area will be a collection of 1/4 acre group cuts. These openings allow sunlight to reach the forest floor. This sunlight stimulates conifer regeneration and provides habitat for early seral plant and animal species. The next treatment type is single tree selection. This is a silviculture method used to reduce stand density and reduce competition between the remaining trees, allowing each tree to grow larger. Water and lake protection zones will allow minimal harvesting near perennial streams, safeguarding aquatic resources and habitats. The last silviculture method is a shaded fuel break. Shaded fuel breaks are implemented in strategic locations to break up fuel continuity and create safe spaces to engage a fire. Inside the fuel break, stand density and ground fuels will be reduced. Time travel into the future 20 years and you will find that new trees will have filled in the areas harvested. The complexity of the forest structure has been improved and the forest is still standing, growing, providing wildlife habitat, and sequestering carbon. The area is still capable of producing timber in the future and being enjoyed by recreationalists in the present. Jackson Demonstration State Forest Casper 500 Timber Harvest Plan: the past, the present, and the future.